Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 12S Ultra device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes in my humble opinion for your Xiaomi device. So on the third place in my tab is Niagara Launcher. Just find it, click install, click open, and great, as you can see, click agree. So great, here you need to choose your favorite apps, click OK, and great, here we have really beautiful and simple interface. And if you want to find any application, you just need to tap your finger on the alphabetical line and switch it to desired later. For example, if you want to find, I don't know, Facebook, just drag it to F button, and here you will see Facebook. If you want to find YouTube, just drag it to U button, and here you will see the YouTube. So, oh my gosh, I have no U. I don't know why, but here I have I have no U button, so I need to. So maybe I have no YouTube. Is it possible? They have no YouTube. Wait a while, I need to check it. Maybe I have no YouTube. Yes, I have no YouTube, so I have no Y later. So I thought that YouTube is pre-installed there, but on Xiaomi maybe no, because it's a Chinese version of Xiaomi device. So go back. So yes, and now I have Y. So YouTube. Great. And cool. So as you can see, it's very simple and very fast launcher. We can use it, and it's light, it's beautiful, and it's fast. Great. On the second place in my tab is Smart Launcher 6. So just find it. Great. Click install. Click open. Get started. I agree, confirm, continue. Oh, I need to click hello, but okay. Hello, and great. So here we have really beautiful interface, really beautiful design, with really handy apps grouping features. So here we have contacts, here we have internet surfing apps, games, media, utilities, and settings. Here we have really beautiful wallpaper gallery. For example, if you want to find any beautiful wallpaper, you can find it here. So just click on it, click apply, and wait for it. So I have no good internet right now. So great. As you can see, photo was successfully, wallpapers was successfully installed. So here we have a beautiful interface, here we have news, and here we have global appearance. We can set up everything, maybe everything here. But if you want to set up really everything on your device, and if you want to have really flexible launcher, so I suggest you to find Microsoft Launcher. Find it and click install. Click open. Get started. Hello. Get started. Continue. You can sign in. I suggested to sign in, but now I just want to show you appearance. Click continue. Let's go. And great. So later I will set this launcher as default. But why I love this launcher? Firstly, because here we have alphabetical line on the apps menu. It's really handy to use. In the apps menu, we can hide unused applications, for example, these apps. we have here glance panel. In glance we can set up all our favorite widgets, and all your widgets will be on the one screen, and it's really handy to use because all your widgets will be here, not on the thousand of home screens. And I really appreciate of gestures features. So just set up, for example, two fingers swipe up and open, I don't know, calculator. And in this way, when you will swipe up with two fingers, you will open the calculator or any other desired tab. And it's really handy to use, it's really great. If you will try it, you will like it. So, great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.